Here at Computer Applications Services Limited, we specialise in software for complaints and HR casework. We have been delivering case management solutions for nearly 20 years, so we really understand the technology behind good handling of customer or employee issues.
CAS is a long-standing software business. We've been around since 1969, span out of Heriot-Watt University, so we've been a well-established business for quite a long period. Initially we were a consultancy business doing software development for various different sectors, but we've moved into being a product business now, focused on selling WorkPro case management.
We started off mainly servicing ombudsman organisations, but we identified that we wanted to grow into new markets, and we did that really in a collaborative way, identifying the best of our products and our knowledge and experience to make products for the HR case management sphere and financial services complaints.
There are a number of variations of WorkPro. One of them is for HR case management, another one is for financial services complaints, and another one's more for regulatory or ombudsman complaints, but the theme is common. A case comes in, it would be dealt with according to a process, often within specific timescales.
Managing cases can be complex and time-consuming without the right tool. WorkPro is a comprehensive case management system that pulls all case documentation and activity together in one place, guiding users through workflow based on their organisation's process. It keeps everything consistent, compliant, and clear.
So WorkPro case management software is really a place where you can store all of your data about cases, so your information that you gather as you do your investigation, and also the documents associated with that.
And then once we've got an output, an outcome from the case, there's reporting on it. Either a direct report to the person who's raised the case, or reporting on the overall workload. So WorkPro handles all of that. It just brings everything together, place to do the work, place to keep everything, and a means of generating reports.
What WorkPro helps us to do is to both identify trends and complaints that we're seeing. So we might see a particular issue arising in the data that we collect. We have standard reports that we run regularly, and we might start to see particular trends arising in those reports that will flag up a particular issue to us.
WorkPro is designed to be intuitive and easy for new users to pick up. But we also provide training to ensure users are confident in how to use WorkPro.
It is designed, first of all, to be very accessible, so it's a web browser product, which means it can be accessed anywhere, and that's quite important at the moment with people working from home a lot and hybrid working. And you've got teams who are dispersed all over the place potentially, so having a product that's very accessible is important, but also it needs to be highly secure.
People need to be able to access what they're supposed to access, what they need to access, what they're permitted to access, and they need to not be able to access what they're not supposed to be able to access. And we can do that quite effectively with permissions.
WorkPro case management software is used by private and public sector organisations throughout the UK and overseas. Many customers have been with us for years, and we are proud that we've been able to evolve with their needs.
We offer WorkPro as a software as a service tool, so that enables businesses to get up and running with case management really quickly. We also take on the management of the system so that they don't have to worry about setting stuff up on servers.
WorkPro's been a good choice for us on lots of levels. The first one would be adaptability and the ability to implant our own templates. That lets us take an off-the-shelf product which we're confident is being supported for a number of clients, but tailor it to our specific needs, so that's been really important. I think our values are also aligned with the company that provide WorkPro. For us it is useful that they're a local business, that they're an employee-owned business, that they understand the type and size of organisation we are, and I think with a lot of bigger providers we would be a much more anonymous customer, whereas we feel we have have a personal relationship with this key supplier. I think it's adapted with us over time, and that's really important as organisations change. And it's providing incredible reliability. It's a system we've always been able to access.
Here at CAS, case management systems are our bread and butter. We aim to deliver great service to you, so that you in turn can deliver great service to your customers.